Finn's fishing trip. Finn the frog loved peaceful activities. One sunny morning, he decided to go on a fishing trip. He thought it would be a great way to relax and spend time with his family. Finn invited his siblings to join him on this adventure. Finn and his siblings gathered all the fishing gear they needed. They packed a picnic basket with delicious snacks. Everyone was excited about the trip. Finn reminded them to be patient while fishing. They hopped along the path to the pond, singing cheerful songs. The journey was filled with laughter and fun. When they arrived, they found a perfect spot by the water. Finn set up the fishing rods and showed his siblings how to cast their lines. Sitting by the pond, they waited quietly for the fish to bite. Finn told them stories to pass the time. His siblings listened eagerly, enjoying every moment. Even though it took a while, they didn't mind waiting. Suddenly, Finn felt a tug on his fishing line. He carefully reeled it in and found a big, shiny fish. His siblings cheered with excitement. Finn smiled and said, "See, patience pays off." After catching a few more fish, they decided to have their picnic. They spread out a blanket and enjoyed their snacks together. The sun was warm and the day was perfect. Finn felt happy being with his family. As the sun began to set, they packed up their things. They hopped back home, talking about their favorite parts of the day. Finn's siblings thanked him for the wonderful trip. Finn felt proud and content. That night, Finn thought about the day's adventure. He realized how important it was to be patient and enjoy time with family. The fishing trip had taught them all a valuable lesson. Finn couldn't wait for their next adventure together.